Experiments with AI, Creating Syllabi. I wanted to assess the usefulness of the ChatGPT AI in designing teaching-related documents. So I asked the AI to construct a syllabus for an English composition course which used best practices found in contemporary education. When the AI was set to the task, the syllabus which was produced as you can see was very bare bones and managed to actually create somewhat of a decent start to a syllabus. One thing that was actually interesting is the inclusion of some best practice models found in composition courses: active participation, group work, collaboration, peer review, also an emphasis on inclusivity and equity, and some very standardized types of things you would see with regard to attendance, academic integrity, and other things. Well, this didn't produce quite what I was expecting, but more kind of what I would deem to be a start to a syllabus that could be expanded upon and refined into something that could be actually very useful. I decided to give this another shot, and instead of doing a regeneration of the response, I decided to ask it to create a course syllabus for a different course, in this case, a Gothic literature course. Again, because of the kind of bare bones nature of the syllabus from the previous request, I wasn't expecting a whole lot. And what I received was pretty much about the same thing. Very generalized course description, nothing super insightful, nothing much more than a very basic description with course goals, and very limited scope of literature, mostly longer texts, and not much in the way of classroom policy, which I didn't expect too much from, but, we want to reach for the stars sometimes when we're using something supposedly a little bit smarter than us. For fun, I decided to do a regeneration of the response to see what would be different. And I again got the general kind of description of the course itself, along with very general course goals. Now, it would be actually interesting to kind of see if working together the language from both of these generated documents might actually produce something that would be good. But I found that it was kind of more, rote in the sense that it gave me very similar statements about policy and grading and things like that. So, yeah.